Jeremy, tell me about your relationship with DMG MORI as a company. Have you got lots of machine tools from them here at Produmax?
Yeah, since I bought the company finally in 1997, and that year I bought the first 50 Evolution, saw that at the Mac exhibition and thought that is the machine for Produmax. Since then we've built up between 50, 70 Evolution P machines, and as well as that on the steel and titanium we've always had Morisiki, from the original MH40 through to the first NMV 5000, which was previously installed into the AMRC and then moved into Produmax, and very recently bought an NMV 3000 with a 34 pallet loader.
So the merge of those two businesses, the DMG MORI collective company now, for you was great.
It was one I didn't see coming, but it's one now where we have one centre of excellence for all our aluminium and steel and titanium machining.
Looking at the difference between the Evos and the P machines, the Evo's a little bit of a smaller machine. Would it be fair to say there's less capability with that machine than the P? What does the P give you?
On larger parts where we have a lot of structural assembly, so we make thrust reversers and high lift mechanisms for the aircraft industry. And for us, we're boring bores from both sides. We like the fixed head from the P machine and rotating the axis, whereas the Evo linear is more for the prismatic high-speed aluminium machining.
Because the P machine, if I'm right, you've got the head that can go from vertical to horizontal.
Yeah, it's a knuckle joint head, and it's really looking at the type of application, whether we put it on the P machine or onto the Evolutions.
Now you've got here the Lang work holding that's feeding a DMG machine or a DMG MORI machine. Is that a good combination, Lang and Tame work holding and DMG MORI?
Yeah, the access that you get with an Evolution machine I think is unparalleled in the industry, and being able to have the Lang vise with great access, a 3 milli grip, it just gives you everything that you need.
You've been to Fronton?
Yes, I have, yes.
You going again?
I'm going again, yes, in February.
I've really enjoyed...
With my checkbook.
Just before we finish this, just tell me a very little bit about Produmax as a company, where you're going, what your ambitions are. You've done a lot here in the last year since you moved in, I believe.
Yeah, we were formed in 1966, and I bought the company, moved here in 1995 and bought the company in 97. Predominantly moved it forward into the aerospace industry. 2 years ago we were accepted onto the UK Sharing in Growth programme, and since then we've grown at £1 million a year, every year, and we'll do up to our target of 2020 when we'll be a £10 million turnover company. We have 85% exports, so we're exporting to Malaysia, Indonesia, Mexico, North Africa, and North America and Canada.
So a weak pound is good for you at the moment?
It helps, yes.
Good luck with that plan for 2020 and enjoy Fronton. Thanks, Jeremy.
Thank you.